Pin bar pattern. Pin bar is a candle with a small body and a long spike or wick directed upwards or downwards depending on the direction of the market. For those who follow the candlestick analysis, this pattern is a strong signal of a future trend reversal. If the wick of a pin bar points up, the price is predicted to go down. If the wick of a pin bar points down, the price is predicted to go up. Traders consider an ideal reversed pin bar a candlestick with two comparable obligatory criteria. Pin bar's open and close levels are placed next to one of the previous bar's ends, near either the top or the bottom. Pin bar's open and close levels are placed within the previous bar, known as the left eye. In this case, most traders consider this pin bar to be a powerful signal for purchase of the option. We wish you